How to add custom foods in MyFitnessPal. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the MyFitnessPal application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you do that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and here you can simply see the option of log food. Tap on it, and as you tap on log food option, you'll be able to see the option of My Foods right over here. Tap on it, and here you get the option of create a food. Select on create a food and then tap on OK. Now you have to select a meal. So I'm going to select on breakfast for now and then tap on create a food. Now let's tap on the brand name over here, which is optional. So you can simply search for the option over here and then add your description. Like you can simply add toast over here, egg, green tea, and then select on the serving size, then servings per container. Then you can simply just tap on next over here and then tap on next as well. So let's just add as the 2 cups over here and then tap on next. So here you just have to enter all your calories, total fat on that particular food that you have created. So you have to fill in all these options. So as you do that, you can simply tap on save, and that's how you can add custom foods in MyFitnessPal. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.